To start the program, click on the AIR CRE contract icon. One of the first things you have to do is to create a package. From the startup page, select File, New, and From Scratch. Enter the file name, which is required. You can also enter a description, which is optional, and click on Create. To add a form to your package, simply from the form library, select the form you want to add to your package. And click on Add Selected Form. There are two ways you can enter data to the form. You can do it directly to the form by simply clicking on the field and typing your data. And use the Tab key to navigate from one field to another. And you can also enter data using the data entry option. Once you populate data in the data entry section, will populate to the form automatically. You can also add multiple forms to the package by simply pushing down the Control key and selecting the forms that you want to add to your package, and click on Add Selected Forms. Once you add any form to your package, we'll populate all the fields automatically. You can zoom into the form by using the Zoom sliding tool, or you can go to View and select the zoom option you like. You cannot delete any of the AIR standard text in a form, but you can strike through it. There are two ways you can strike through: by simply highlighting any text on the form and selecting the Delete key on your keyboard. Or you can simply highlight any language of the form and from the Home ribbon, select Strike Out. To unstrike, you can right-click any paragraph and select the option to unstrike out. Or you can select any text and from the Home ribbon, select Unstrike. You can also add your own custom text by simply clicking anywhere within the AIR standard text and type your custom text. It's going to be in different color and a different font from the AIR standard text. You can change the font size and the style of your custom text by simply highlighting your text. And from the Home ribbon section, select the font size, bold, italic, or underline. You also have an option to insert bullets, numbering, and also show the control characters. You can left justify, you can center, you can right justify, and you can justify an entire paragraph. In the editing section, you also have the option to find and replace any word in the AIR document. To find a specific word, simply click on Find and type in the word you want to find, and click on Find Next. If you'd like to replace that word with a different word, simply click on Replace and type in a replace value and click on Replace. The app will automatically strike through the previous value, will enter a new value next to it. Once you add a custom text to your form, a pipeline will indicate the changes on the left side of the form. We'll make it easy to find any changes in the form by simply going down the form and finding the pipelines. To insert an image into the form, click anywhere within the form and hit the Tab key. From the Home ribbon, go into Image and find the image you want to insert and click on Open. If the image is too big, simply click on the image and use the resizing tool to resize the image. To delete the image, simply click on the image and hit the Delete key on your keyboard. To change the font size on your document, from the main menu, select Package Properties. To change the AIR form size, click on the AIR form size icon and select the size you want to change it to. You can also change the field font, the size, and the style by simply clicking on Field Fonts icon and selecting the font size, the type, and the style. And you can also change the font type of your custom text by simply clicking on the custom text font icon and select the font type you want to change it to. That will change all the custom text on all the forms in your package. You can also change the page size from letter to legal. You can also change the page numbering of the package to be continuous from one form to another. You can also change the page margin. To print or create a PDF version of your draft contract package, first check the status of your contract package at the bottom left-hand side. Once you're ready to print, from the main menu, select File and click on Print. The word draft will display across the page of the forms. To print, simply click on the printer icon, and to create a PDF, simply click on Save as PDF. To print or create a PDF of your finalized package, to finalize your contract package, first check the status of the contract package at the bottom left-hand side. To finalize your package, simply from the Home ribbon, select Finalize. First, you got to make sure all the required fields are filled in. In the data entry section, all the fields in red are required fields. Once you're ready to finalize, click on Finalize icon. You'll get a message that your package has been finalized, and your status at the bottom left-hand side will change from draft to final. And once you're ready to print, click on File and select Print. You will no longer see watermark draft on your forms, and from here simply go to Print or click on Save as PDF to create a PDF file.